This is still part of the Hong Kong airport during my layover in November 20th, 2024. So, silver account is one box or one bottle of a pure cheer or consensus beauty mask or spray. So I was here on my own alone. I just want to experience flying Cathay Pacific in just few hours from Bangkok to Philippines. But now, yeah, when you bought at least one box or one bottle of pure care in Riway, you are already entitled of silver account. However, this is only a 15 days therapy and your commission or bonus is can earn only 8% and you have only one unit. Very limited income. However, if you go for two bottles or two boxes, that is gold account, you are entitled of 9% income and you have one unit